My name is Nova. Welcome to Sneakers to Riches Season 2 Speedrun Edition. I sold 2 low profit margin shoes for a total of $18.34 profit. No drops today, but tomorrow we got a big one, Panda Dunk Restock. During the drop, we got a nice payment decline, and that was about it. User error and some bad luck, no wins today. But I did get these Air Force Ones in for $93 each from Notify's Brick Flip section, which is lower than retail. I got a full size run of these, but these are the first 2 that came in. We also got a few sales that we made, including these Jordan 1 yellow toes that I sold as a pre-order. On to the next day. Another day with no drops. I decided to ship a few Air Maxes out to Flight Club because these are not moving on my eBay store. We also got a bunch of shoes that came in, including these beautiful Dunk Jackpots. I'm surprised they're not going for more. They're one of the better Dunk colorways in my opinion. Here are some more sales, including another yellow toe that I sold as a pre-order, and some Supreme Air Force Ones that I just want to get rid of before they restock again. Finally, boys, we have a drop. Today we're going for the Nike Dunk Lows, this time in the olive colorway. I hit one. There's another one. Got 2 checkouts, but we're not finished yet. We're going to go for a rumored Supreme Air Force One restock, but they kind of bricked, so we're only going to go for the small sizes. Basically anything under 7.5, which go for more money.
Let's go.
Oh, let's go. Holy sh... What? Oh my god. I went crazy.
Today I sold these New Balance 550s, and I also sold basically all of my Jordan 1 low vintage grays. Racer blue dunks are restocking today on Nike, so we're going for them. Oh, I got one. 2. I got 2. 3. Oh, what's going on? I got 4. Got a total of 4. Not too bad. The sale for today is this pair of Jordan 1 Shadow Toes. And we also got a bunch of bricks that came in. So here we got the rest of the Air Force Ones, but this is the absolute worst packaging I've ever seen from an online retailer. Since a lot of these boxes are in horrible condition, I'm almost sure I'm gonna lose money from this batch. The next 2 boxes are these Air Max Pluses. The packaging can be highly improved as well with these, but surprisingly only a few of the boxes were damaged. These should be easy profit. Most of the Supreme Air Force Ones got delivered, made a few sales, and then tomorrow we got the Yeezy Slide resins dropping. Not a huge amount of money to be made from these, but they're mostly still profitable, so we're going for them. It's a lot of processing. Whoa. Yo, I went off. Let's go. Oh, I hit it. It's at 9. Okay, today was a very successful day. Ended up with 25 checkouts despite the fact that my botting setup was significantly decreased from my previous Yeezy supply releases. Anyways, we gotta keep it moving. We have some sales that came in during the release. These other Jordan 1 yellow toe sales that you're seeing are the pre-orders that I did on eBay. I know I didn't really make money from most of these. In fact, I even lost money on a few. But at this point, it's much better doing this than returning the shoes. I was basically trying to speedrun becoming an eBay top rated seller on my BOTTERBOYNOVA account so that the rest of my listings can rank higher in the eBay algorithm. Here are the shoes that I picked up from my other addresses that was a little bit overdue. The one shoe that I do need to add are these Valerian Blue Dunks. I think they restocked on the Finish Line app and I forgot to cover it. Over the next couple of days, these are the sales that I made. Those Air Max purchases are working out really well. I really wish I bought more. Also, some of the Yeezy Slide resins are starting to come in too, so that's nice. On the 27th, I made a good amount of sales, but the notable one is the bulk sale that I did for my Jordan 1 Low Vintage Grays to a bulk buyer. Just decided to get rid of them because I saw the price trending downwards, and I got a bunch of shoes that came in. Pretty good day. Just one sale on Flight Club, but it's a sale that I'm happy with for the Air Max 90 reveal. I've noticed that Flight Club might be better for brick flips than eBay, so I'm deciding to ship a few more bricks over there and hopefully I get similar results. Anyways, I'm long overdue for a haircut. I'm looking like Eren Yeager at this point, and having hair in your face constantly isn't actually as cool as animes make them out to be. I mean, it kinda looks alright, but my vision is reduced by like 80% and that's no fun. So boom, haircut. And we got some shoes in, including this random Jordan 1 Low GS that I got from a Nike restock, so we're gonna add that to our inventory list, and that about wraps up the day. The last drop of the month, we're going for Tom Sachs general purpose shoes in bigger sizes so that we can maximize our profits. Let's see what we can get. I got one.
2.
Yes. So we end off the day with 4 checkouts and 1 sale. And a few more shoes that came in. So the last 2 sales of the month are the LeBrons and the Racer Blues. As per usual, at the end of each month, we will go over our financials. How am I doing? Am I making money? Am I losing money? What's going on? All right, so let's get into it. My inventory profit comes up to $11,337.62. Unrealized profit comes up to around $3,900. This number represents the inventory that I bought but haven't sold yet. In total, this amounts to approximately $15,200. Now we subtract my expenses, $10,826.24, and the number that we get is $4,374. However, this time, if you notice, my inventory profit is higher than my expenses. So I can actually populate my actual inventory line to have something. That's going to be $511.38. Now, I know that number sounds extremely underwhelming, but I feel like the $4,374 figure is a bit more important, being that that also accounts for my unrealized profit, aka the inventory that I haven't sold yet. But of course, it's also important to be transparent about like how much money you actually make. So the $511.38, that's definitely a number people are looking for. Anyways, tomorrow we got Dunks dropping, we got Jordan 4s dropping, and I might make some setup changes. I don't know, I feel like scaling down was definitely the right move, but we're gonna figure all of that out on the next one. Don't miss it.